In this Excel tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to enter data in multiple cells at the same time. First select multiple cells and then type the value you want to insert in all those selected cells. Now use Ctrl Enter. See, all selected cells are now filled with 1 to 3. Sometimes you have blank cells in between and you want to fill data from above cell or below cell. In that case also you can use this shortcut. First select all blank cells using go to shortcut or manually by using Ctrl and left mouse click, or just directly select with the mouse and then type the formula that is equal to A2. I want value from the above cell and use Ctrl Enter. See that now all blank cells have now value from the above cell. Okay, so here as you can see A2, and here it has filled with the B2. It is inserting relative formula. See in this case also. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video.